listeners, welcome back to you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with chapter number 20 of grammar. And the name of the chapter is paragraph writing. Right? So, what is paragraph writing? So, paragraph writing is actually whenever we have to describe an idea, we have to describe to a topic in some lines, right? We write some lines. Basically, they are arranged in a very systematical order, right? So that the person who is reading can have interest in that, right? So that is the thing जिसे हम paragraph writing के नाम से जानते हैं. So now let us begin with the chapter and know more about the topic. So, when a group of sentences describe an idea, they make a paragraph. In a paragraph, first a topic is introduced, then its merits and demerits are mentioned, and lastly, the topic is concluded. Let's read some paragraphs. तो जब भी एक ग्रुप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस किसी भी आइडिया को डिस्क्राइब करता है तब वो एक पैराग्राफ बना देता है, राइट? एक पैराग्राफ में जो टॉपिक है सबसे पहले वो इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए और उसी के बाद उसके एडवांटेजेस, डिसएडवांटेजेस जो कि सभी मेंशन होनी चाहिए और लास्टली जो टॉपिक है उसमें इंक्लूड होनी चाहिए. लेट्स रीड सम पैराग्राफ्स. तो अब यहाँ पर हमें कुछ एग्जांपल्स दिए हुए हैं फॉर द पैराग्राफ्स. लेट अस रीड देम. सो दे आर माय फेवरेट गेम. सो अब हम माय फेवरेट गेम पे एक पैराग्राफ पढ़ेंगे. लेट अस हैव अ लुक. So, cricket is my favorite game. It is very popular in many countries of the world. There are 3 types of cricket matches: 5-day test match, 1-day international, and 2020 or T20 match. Right? Next, every cricket team includes 11 players. One side bats, the other side bats balls. Then the other side bats and the first side balls. There are 2 innings. 1-day match is quite different. One side bats for 50 overs. Then the other side bats for 50 overs. The side bats for 50 more runs is declared victorious. One day, match creates great excitement. I enjoy one-day matches. T20 cricket match is a fast-paced and exciting form of cricket. It is played in 20 overs per side. Each over consisting 6 balls. T20 cricket is a popular sport all over the world and is especially popular in India. India has a very strong cricket team. Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, KL Rahul, Ravindra Jadega, Jasprit Bumrah, Shubham Gill, Mohammad Shami, Kuldeep Yadav, etc. are leading players to the modern era. Right? So, ये था हमारा paragraph about the favorite game. जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन थी सब हमने इसमें ग्रैब की हुई है. करेक्ट. Now, moving ahead, we have the next topic, which is my favorite book. So, let's talk about my favorite book. I am fond of reading. I have read many books. I like Ramayana the most. It is my favorite book. I have read it many times. Correct? Moving ahead, the Ramayana is the story of Lord Rama's life. He was the eldest son of Dashrath, king of Ayodhya. He was the crown prince of Ayodhya. To fulfill his father's vow, he went into exile. His wife Sita and his brother Lakshmana also went with him. He lived in the forests for 14 years. Ravan, the demon king of Lanka, abducted Sita. Ram attacked Lanka and killed Ravan. Then he, with Sita and Lakshman, came back to Ayodhya. He was the most popular king of his time. The Ramayana inspires the leader to follow the ideals of Lord Ram. Right? Next, moving ahead, we have the topic My Country. Let's discuss. India is my motherland. I am proud of being an Indian. It is a great land. It is very vast. The Himalayas, the highest mountain of the world, lie to the north of it. This range is like the crown of our country. There is the Indian Ocean to the south of it, which seems to be washing its feet. It is very rich land. There are mountains, hills, rivers, and lakes here. In the past, it was very prosperous and called the Golden Bird. Many great men were born here. They all were learned persons. So, it was called the Jagat Guru. There are many religions practiced here. People speak different languages, yet they live in total harmony. Unity in diversity is our slogan. India is a peace-loving country. It has a rich culture and heritage. Right? Moving ahead. So, that was all about the chapter. From my side, I hope you all are clear with the examples of paragraph writing that we read right now. And as you can see, कि यहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारे examples दिए हुए हैं for your paragraph writing practice. So you can practice them by yourself and improve your skills. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.